Welcome to Project Heaven, the UK's premier classic and vintage vehicle restoration company. Here at Project Heaven, not only can we work on any brand of classic car, but we have all facilities in-house, and we'll show you around that right now. This is the fast-moving side of the workshop where we do servicing, maintenance, general repairs, the quicker jobs. We've got 3 build bays here, and also behind us, the rolling road. Our rolling road dynamometer is particularly geared toward classic and vintage cars. We've got a range of SU needles, Weber needles, Solex, all the different types of carbs. We've also got specialist equipment for tuning and mapping EFI conversions. We can do DTA ECUs, Emerald, Mega Squirt. It doesn't matter, we can do it all. It's a 2-wheel rolling road capable of power running a 1,000 horsepower car, and it has an eddy current brake. We've got 2 dedicated engine building rooms, one for strip down, one for build up. In the build up engine room, we've built all sorts of engines. We've done race engines, we do Ferrari, Maserati, BDG, Porsche, Lagonda, the list goes on and on. We can do all sorts of in-house services in here too. We've got crack testing, hardness testing, engine balancing, head skimming, block skimming. In the engine strip down room, we've got equipment for pressing apart components and assembly. We've got specialist cleaning machines like heated ultrasound, heated chemical dip, and vapor blasting and grip blasting. Our vehicle-specific machine room has a 3-post balancing machine, a surface grinding machine for blocks and heads. We've got a crack testing machine for crankshafts, drive shafts, wishbones, that sort of thing. And there's also a Delapina machine for doing little end bushes and steering bushes. This is our long-term restoration section of the workshop. This is where the full nut and bolt restorations happen. Fabrication room. This is where our fabricator does all aspects of metalwork. We can do full rebodies in aluminium or steel, to sympathetic repairs or panel making. We have a huge range of specialist equipment in here. We've got a CNC plasma cutter, factory correct spot welding machine that's water cooled. We've got water cooled TIG welding machine, high quality MIG welder, jig table, large metal guillotine capable of cutting 1/4-inch plate, metal sweeps for checking contours of bodies, various other metalworking equipment and forming equipment, including swagers, rollers, box benders, shrinkers, stretchers, and a press. We also have mandrel pipe bending machine for doing roll cages and exhaust systems, and of course, an English wheel. Upstairs is our upholstery room. This is where our trimmer retrims entire classic cars or maybe just does sympathetic repairs. We've got an outside ramp as well, which is useful for hot steam pressure washing the undersides of cars off and then descaling with a needle gun so we can underseal and protect cars that are being used regularly. We've got our own media blasting room where we typically use crushed glass to carefully blast cars, and we're just about to start work on this XK. This is one of our main machine shops. In here we've got multiple CNC lathes and milling machines. We can machine any components. We make wheel centers. At the moment, this machine's got a cylinder head on it and we're going to redesign the combustion chambers. This is Project Heaven Bodyshop. Harry's going to take you through it.
Okay, so welcome to the Bodyshop. This is our main preparation area. We've got 2 bays, one there, one here. Although it's got more cars in the moment, we usually take them out and work at one at a time. We have all side extraction there, so it's nice and clean before stuff goes into the spray booth. Then we have an acid tank for dipping panels. Then we have a metal preparation tank that gets rid of any rust and corrosion. Then an inhibitor tank. And then a cleaning tank before we come in, so all our metal is freshly clean, ready to be painted and worked on. Let me show you the mixing room. So this is our mixing room. So we have all our primers, our etches, our adhesion promoters, special products for special metals, things like that, all down here, and all our hardeners and lacquers and things. Then we have our mixing machine, and coupled to our water-based mixing scheme that we can use, and the chips that we use with the Spectro machine, which you'll see in another video, which just helps us to match the colours, especially on classic cars. And we're able to tint our own colours and match them exactly how we want them for the customer. And let me show you where we paint the cars. This is our extracted part of the spray booth where the dust is extracted. We try to keep it as clean as possible. And then this is our spray bake side load oven, which we paint the cars in, and then when we finish painting we bake it so that the product is nice and hard.